do you know this plant? Do you know this plant? Did you know that this is vervain? Yes, it is. And did you know that this plant is known to help fight and treat the coronavirus or coronavirus? Quite interesting, right? So yes, this is vervain, and it's great for your immune system along with so much more benefits. It's great to build your body up, and that's part of why it's great for coronavirus. So yes, you can identify it by this this blossom or this bloom, this purple bloom. So yes, that's vervain. So when you see it, don't kill it. I know as Jamaicans, we love to kill plants that we don't know. Yes, because we are thinking that they are weeds. But this is not a weed. This is vervain. That's the bloom. And that's the bloom. The blossom, purple. Yes, there it is. And it has stems like tentacles. So yeah, check that out. That's vervain, and it's good for your body. It has lots of vitamins and minerals. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow us on all our social media platforms.